Alright, so it has clearly been around 3 months and I haven't posted any video on YouTube. So today I will be doing some new light photography using my camera, which is a Canon M50 with this lens, which is a 50mm lens which goes up to around f1.8, super sharp. Basically I don't have any neon lights at home, so what I'm thinking is like I'll be using my external monitor back there as my neon light source and hopefully it works well. So I don't have anyone to help me with the photos, so I'm going to be using an app called Camera Connect. With this app you can connect your camera with your phone. It is pretty much easy to use. You can control all the settings, the aperture, the ISO and all other settings as well. And now I think I should start taking photos. I'm actually quite happy with the photos that I got. Some of the photos came out good, some of the photos came out bad, but we are just gonna talk about the good ones. Okay, the first photo that I got was this one. This was basically just my first trial shot to check the light and the reflections. And for the reflection I used this glass and my dad's sunglasses and it went out perfect. The second photo that I got was this one. For this I used my phone to reflect the lights from the screen and I got this shot. So this is the third photo that I got. For this one I opened up this wallpaper on my phone and used it as my light source, and so I got this shot. Out of all the photos, the third one was probably my favorite. And for editing the photos I used my Lightroom preset, the crystal blue. Making these videos, or you can say taking these photos, boosted me with some creative ideas, like coming out of my comfort zone, and it was a success. So that is it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make calm, yeah.